So we're really now getting to the end of all of this. We've been doing plastering this week, just finishing up downstairs plastering, and the kitchen is completely made, done, which is great. We shifted all our kitchen stuff in there, and it is so nice having a tap, running water, a counter, all of that. So Anish is busy working on making the like railing around the balcony and for the stairs area. And then once that railing is done, then we will shift upstairs. Also, we had our harvest this week. We started our harvest this week. It's still not completely done. So some people's harvest is done. You can see behind me that there's still we have a lot of the paddy that's still there. Some people have harvested, so kind of right in the middle of harvest. So our 1 acre plot is harvested, but the other 2 acre plot is not yet harvested. What's happening?
Tank is getting filled.
Woo! Tank is getting filled. Anish put the line from here, and there it goes, and it's going up to the tank, and it's getting filled. Woo! There it is. Can you hear that beautiful sound? Can't really hear it. Can you hear it? Are you excited? The tank is getting filled. Getting started on electrical work. So he is setting up the MCB. Now our kitchen is getting done. It's looking nice and bright. They're doing the plastering and starting on the primer paint. They got a lot done today. So our kitchen is done. Pretty much just a few tiny minor details, but it's enough so that we are actually shifting into here. So I am about to start cooking my first meal in our new kitchen, and I'm so excited because we've been waiting for a long time. I've been sitting on a very dirty floor cooking food with dirt all around, and I'm very happy to be in our new kitchen. Kids are all helping to clean up the kitchen. Mud coming, just making some way for the mud to come. We're trying to put some dirt in this area so we can bring the tractor up into the garage, and then the tractor will help to just compress all of the bricks before we make the floor of the garage. So here's the dirt coming. Because Anish is getting the railing started, and I'm really scared of this thing right here. So it'll be really nice to have a railing so that I don't have to freak out every time the kids come up and down the stairs. So these pieces are for the balcony, for the sides of the balcony. And here's one more piece ready to be painted. He had a beautiful baby girl and he's very excited, very happy. Still he came for work. So his father became a grandfather for the first time. Having fun? Yeah. Acha. You fine?
Yeah. I'm feeling fine.
And you're liking the mud?
Yeah.
What you feel about the mud, Evelyn?
Nice.
Great. Now we see one more load of dirt is coming.